Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell ebooks on Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the products, store, analytics, marketing, and customers. And we also have the account here on the top side of the screen also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell ebooks on Payhip. So firstly, what you need to do is go to the top side of the screen and click on products. Then here you need to go and click on add a new product. So as you can see, you have a couple of options. You can go, of course, for a digital book and create a digital product. So basically, because it is a digital product that people can of course go. So it can be also a physical product if it's a physical book, but this is an ebook course, which is not bundle coaching service. So click on digital product. Here you need to go and upload the product file. So you can upload your digital book here, put in the price, the title, price, click the cover image, the description, and then click on add product. And your product will immediately be on the website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.